Hello everyone, I will show you easy way how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows. Windows version which you are willing to install, for example Windows 11, and after that download, and the first site you will see will be Microsoft.com. This is an official download for Windows 11. It's the same applies with Windows 10 or 8 or 7. Although the 7 or 8 you need a license key. Thankfully for Windows 10 or 11 you don't need a license key in order to download it. Okay, now in here you can see full list of options. Choose your option that is best for you and download it. This is how media creation tool will look like on your PC. When you run, you will see following pop-up. Then you have to agree with license, and in here you have to choose create installation USB, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Press next. Uncheck user recommended options for this PC. Choose your language. Press next. Choose your option, USB flash drive or ISO. We are using USB flash drive. Keep it in mind that your removable drive will be formatted, so choose the drive letter carefully in your file explorer. In my case it was F drive. Press next. This process will be quite long, so take your time. After that, following prompt will ask you to format your drive. You can rename it as well. And after formatting and for more waiting, you should see the following message. Your USB flash drive is ready and you're good to go. After that, press finish and Windows will clean up some temporary files on the computer. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.